Colorado's own Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom, is the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. And it's time to celebrate. You could even call it a Ruby Jubilee. That's right, they're having a 40th anniversary sale. And Mark Kalix is here with more. So great to have you.
Thank you.
But I got to point out, you're in a jacket. You don't have your apron. What's going on?
Yeah, that's right. I exchanged my apron for a blazer to talk about our anniversary sale.
Yeah.
So Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom is Colorado's largest appliance dealer with 20 Colorado stores. We have stores from Westminster, which is right off of Highway 36 in Sheridan by that big Lowe's, all the way down the other side of town, Parker, off of Lincoln and Parker there. And we've got, hundreds of appliances and mattresses in that location. Fact is that we have locations across the Front Range and into the mountains, and chances are we have a store near you. Now, same day and next day available delivery, and we have this new energy rebate. You can upgrade from gas to electric on your appliances, saving additional money. Our anniversary sale, 40 to 70% off at Appliance Factory. It's going on right now.
Yeah, it's a great time to celebrate. I mean, 40 years in business. That's fantastic for you guys. Let's also not forget, you guys save a ton of money for your customers. So talk to us about some of the ways that you guys help people save.
Yeah, we have, what makes us different is our special buys. And we truly save customers money. We have exclusive contracts with hundreds of manufacturers for manufacturer overstock inventory. So when there's a supply chain gridlock, the manufacturer, they have to get that out of their warehouse, and we buy that. We buy that product. It's full warranty at a huge discount. So let's talk about some examples. Let's do some shopping.
Of course.
We've got this KitchenAid refrigerator. When you buy the refrigerator, you get the kitchen for free. So the MSRP on this package is $6,000. Mention the keyword anniversary.
Okie doke.
When you buy the refrigerator for $3,299, you're going to get the range and the microwave for free.
Oh, I love that price.
Yes, free. That's an unheard of savings of over $2,800.
So fantastic.
And we got another special buy.
Okay.
If you need laundry, come see us because we have a Whirlpool front load washer and dryer. So the MSRP on this is over $2,000. But when you buy the washer for $1,298, mention that keyword, anniversary, you're going to get the dryer for free.
Fantastic.
Truly saving hundreds.
Yeah, and there are other savings too, and we're still talking about kitchen savings,
That's
right?
right.
Okay, so tell us more.
So we have thousands of uncrated appliances with full warranty. So anytime the box is damaged, the manufacturer doesn't want that in their warehouse. So we buy that product at a huge discount. We take it out of the box, ensure it's new condition, and then sell it to you at a huge discount. New product, full warranty. Let's take a look at an example. This LG side-by-side refrigerator, ice and water. The big box price for this, $11.99. Mention that keyword, anniversary. Our TV exclusive price, $7.99. We're saving $400.
Man, it's like, how can you get a brand new fridge for less than $800? You got to go to Appliance Factory.
Come to Appliance Factory and come see us.
All right. Well, we also going to talk about your mattresses because you brought this in. This is what a purple mattress looks like.
This is a purple mattress. Fact is, we have all the best brands we have on display in our stores: Beautyrest Black, Purple, Nectar, Casper, Dream Cloud, Tempur-Pedic. And this purple mattress, you can see it's got this soft grid.
Yeah.
We have these 50% off right now.
50% off. That's fantastic. How can people track you down and get that location of that store that's nearest them?
Right. So you're going to go to appliancefactory.com. You can learn about all of our locations. And I work at our Fine Lines store, which is off of Zuna. You know that old Broncos Stadium?
Oh, it's not old yet, is it?
No, it's not. We still love our Mile High Stadium. So I work with our luxury division. Come see me at our Zuna location, but go to appliancefactory.com to learn about the store that's closest to you.
That's fantastic. And also, when somebody comes to your store, I mean, they have like sleep experts that can help them with all this. If they have any of the questions, there's somebody there to help them out.
Yeah, that's right. We are 5-star Google rated. We're AAA BBB rated. and we have professionals who will help make sure you get the right mattress and the right appliances for your home.
So fantastic. Thank you so much, Mark.
You're welcome.
And Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom's 40th anniversary sale prices are available now, and you can get up to 40 to 70% off. Visit appliancefactory.com for more information and to find a store nearest you. They paid for this segment.